Salamat Pagi and Happy Hearts Day mga kampiyon! You made the right choice by spending this special day with the Lord and the ones you love. Saan ka man nanggaling, first timer ka man, o you've been with us for a while, welcome to your church and home, Life Church, the home of champions.
At syempre para sa ating online audiences from our different campuses and in different parts of the globe, welcome to My Puerto Princesa, ang syudad ng buhay na Diyos.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming pagbalik-tanaw sa pag-ibig na binigay at patuloy na ibinibigay ng ating Panginoon sa pamamagitan mo at ng ating simbahan dito
sa Live News.
Attorney Federico Tangcongco rocked the house last Sunday with a very timely and inspiring message. He emphasized on the things that shape us, our spiritual gifts, hearts, abilities, personality, and experiences.
Right, Jonard, in his message entitled Pursue What Matters Most, he shared to us 7 crucial things that will help us make use of our time in pursuing the greatest treasures in life. We first must determine what matters most, commit in pursuing it, and along the way, we must learn how to give up many great things in order to obtain few great things, and we must be able to take the risk and pay the price. This is also a very personal quest, Joner. That's why it requires for us to take it personally and consistently, and in grabbing our moment, we should act quickly.
Moreover, Ate Chian, he reminded us to fix our eyes on Jesus, that we must not compare and never copy. To take a look at what happened last Sunday, panoorin natin to.
Do not waste your life on merely good things. Pursue what matters most while you still have time. You do not know how much time you have. Sa dami ng options natin today, kung hindi mo mahihiwala yung importante sa hindi importante, you are lost. Fixing our eyes on Jesus involves 2 things. 1, do not compare. Because if you compare, you will end up na magkakasala ka. 2, do not copy. When you look at other people, copy their faith, copy their example, copy their discipline, copy their character, but do not copy their lifestyle. Because God gave you a different kind of a life. The Lord will never lead you anywhere where you do not have to trust Him. That's why He will never give you an entire game plan, because He wants you to trust Him. I don't want what you can give me, I want your heart.
Prayer is a sign of our dependence to the Lord, and it's through this dependence that we become strong to overcome all of life's struggles. Kaya naman inaanaya namin kayo to join us as we bridge the gap between God and the ones we love and care about sa ating corporate prayer gatherings. Every Saturday at 5:30 AM sa ating tahanan sa Junction 2 San Pedro for our morning watch, and every second Friday, same place, 9 PM for our prayer power.
Nothing beats soul with a steadfast faith, at ang isang magiting na mananampalataya ay sa pamilya unang pinagpapala. Nalalapit na po ang ating family camp on March 24 to 26, 2016.
Amin pong hinihikayat na ang bawat pamilya ay makiisa. Our venue will be at Tagkawayan Beach, Barangay Bakungan, Puerto Princesa City. To join us and for more updates, please contact your life group and network leaders.
And these were the things God has done through you and through His church this week. Kami po ay nananalangin na sa darating na mga araw at mga events, patuloy namin kayo makasama on the ground and online through our social media pages.
Spread the word by adding #LifeChurch Sunday Service to your Sunday Service related posts tulad ng photos and reflections.
At ngayon, ating handa ang ating mga sarili, panulat, notebook at Biblia para sa isa na namang mensaheng hatid sa atin ng ating Panginoon through our speaker. Mga kampiyon, ako po si Jerson Flores.
Ako naman si Chian May Flores.
And I am Jonard Angelo. Let us prepare our storehouses
and be ready for God's outpouring, champions.